Cheers! Good morning! I've been looking forward to today the entire week. Reason being, it's a Saturday and it's very rare that I am home on a Saturday, but I thought I should reserve this time for myself because a little me time is something I really look forward to and I don't get very often. Today you guys are coming along with me because I'm gonna be pampering myself completely and do some household chores in peace. Usually in the morning, if I'm not going out, I don't shower super early, but you still gotta wash your face with just like warm water, especially if you use pretty heavy and rich skincare the night before. I typically like to kind of replace my morning cleanser with a paw pad, and especially something that has a little bit of an exfoliating side to get rid of extra dirt, extra grime that my warm water didn't get rid of. So there are lots of construction still going on around my house because the estate is fairly new. I'm gonna try to block out as much sound as possible. Lastly, sunscreen, super important. I know you might think I'm just gonna be at home. Do I actually really need a sunscreen because I'm indoors? But there's still UV rays coming through, and these days there are so many sunscreens out there that are very affordable, very good in texture, so I would say it's always better, more with sunscreen. Lip balm done. Let's go to the kitchen. Oops, forgot to turn off the light. So I'm gonna grab myself a cup of coffee. This is my coffee setup. I'm sure y'all have seen it in my vlogs. I only decided to bring 2 of my coffee machines over. These days I've been a big fan of drinking black coffee. So, what would you like to order, sir? I would say this is my favorite style of my morning. If I have time, I always go for my drip coffee. Actually, I have time today. I don't know why I went for this. It's ready! Look at how big this cup is. Ooh, what is this puzzle? So cute! I think this is by Kerastase. Oh, they are one of my favorite haircare brands, and I've been using Kérastase for like the past 10 years, so I'm gonna be showing you guys how I'm gonna be doing my hair later on. This is their new range, and they sent over like an experience kit, I think. Look! It's a Potentialiste mocktail DIY kit. What do we have here? Time for me to make the Kérastase Potentialiste mocktail. First, pour the dark cane spirit, lemon juice, sage and hottentot honey infusion and hibiscus tea into the crystal rock glass. Simple. Dark cane spirit. Oh, not that simple after all. Lemon juice. Getting it everywhere. Simple. My cocktail mixer. Add some ice cubes to the brim of the glass. gonna top it up. Soda water. Smells so cute. I want to say it smells so cute. It smells so sweet. Oh, gosh, it's so. I forgot to garnish. So this one is infused with the same ingredients as the new Potentialiste serum. I'm gonna get into more later on when I do my hair. Well, vitamin C and prebiotics, so I guess it's good to start my day with it. So it's finally time for lunch. Today I'm gonna be making something really simple, like a one pot kind of meal. Super simple Japanese beef yakiniku don. I haven't actually successfully made an onsen egg with my air fryer. The past 2 times I tried, I overcooked them. So today I'm still going to try. Let's get started. Look at this. Yummy. So my lunch is ready and I'm gonna be trying it. I would say my egg was a success. Oh my gosh! If I can rate it, 7.5 upon 10. Go and try out the recipe, guys. So full. But that was a good lunch. I really highly recommend you guys to go check out the recipe and try it for yourself, and let me know in the comments if you like it and if you found it easy, because I found it so easy. I think it's like no chance of failure, you know. Anyway, it's now time for me to do some housework. A whole bunch of clothes just sitting right there waiting for me to put them away, so I'm gonna do that right now. Feels so good. I'm just gonna let my hair dry a little bit before I go in with this. This is my latest obsession, the new Kérastase Specifique Potentialiste. This is like a scalp serum, like a little bit like a nourishment treatment. So I've been using it for the past, I think 4 or 5 days, and I really like it. My scalp has been a lot more soothed and more calm. In the past, once I step out of the house in just about 3 hours, my scalp would get really oily and then my hair just falls flat and limp. But ever since using this, I've noticed that it's gotten a lot more balanced and I don't really face the oiliness in the scalp for at least like 6 hours when I'm out. So that is a really a huge improvement for me. So the two main ingredients in this new scalp serum is actually prebiotics as well as vitamin C. Prebiotics are actually nutrients that help to multiply the good bacteria in your scalp. You definitely need that for your hair and your scalp to be healthy and strong. Something that we shouldn't neglect and we definitely need more of. And on top of that, we have vitamin C as well. So vitamin C, as you all know, is great because it's extremely high in antioxidants. Helps to strengthen the skin barrier on your scalp, and it also helps with protecting your scalp from oxidation. Feel amazing. Like, my scalp just feels so nicely stimulated. The texture of this is super lightweight and it's really not greasy at all. You don't have to worry about your hair being like flat or limp because you're applying something on your scalp. I know for those of you with oily, greasy scalp, that is really the last thing you want, but this one is not gonna give it to you. Very like three-dimensional smell. It's not like your typical kind of product scent. It's very nice smelling. I was actually a big fan of the Genesis Anti-Hairfall Fortifying Serum. So this one comes in a similar bottle like that as well. And I love the dropper because you just need one pump and you get just the right amount. It even has like a line over here to show you. I like to just part my hair and then apply it around the scalp like this, and then I'll just gently massage it in. You want to use 3 pipettes section by section. So I usually like to do top, side, side. So one whole pipette is enough for one entire side. So at this point, I like to give myself a nice head massage. Doing so not only helps to improve the blood circulation, stimulate your hair follicles, strengthen your scalp, it also helps with the penetration of the serum into the scalp better. For those of you with frequent headaches, massaging this area, super chill. So right now I'm gonna leave it for a bit and apply my sheet mask because it's all about pampering myself today. I've got nowhere to rush to, so I'm doing a sheet mask in the middle of the day because I can. Ta-da! Now here's a tip. If you want to blow dry your hair, apply your sheet mask while you do so your skin doesn't dry out together. I love how smooth my hair is and it's really nice and bouncy. Can't even tell that I've got like scalp issues and hair fall, right? All you need is just 10 minutes for healthy, beautiful hair. It's all about finding the right products that suit you, and you can always mix and match different products for your different hair concerns. So this one helps with anti-hair fall as with the rest of the products that I used earlier in the shower. And this Kérastase Genesis range is something that I highly recommend, especially if you also face hair fall problems or hair breakage problems, especially because of the weakened hair. Now that they've launched this one, the Potentialiste Serum, I'm using it interchangeably because not only do I need my hair strands to be strengthened, I also need my scalp to be nourished and balanced, and they go hand in hand together. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little self-pampering routine kind of vlog. And if you did, don't forget to tell me in the comments. And also, I'm gonna leave all of the products that I use in the description box below. I wanna say a big thank you to Kerastase for partnering up with me on this vlog and allowing me to share with you guys my 10 minutes hair care routine. To be honest, it's not much, and your hair is gonna thank you later. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!